I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the file. Open its properties or a media inspector and note container and codec names. Once done, confirm your player's supported codecs. Make sure to record exact error text. If the codec is missing, you'll need either a codec pack or a conversion. I recommend choosing conversion when compatibility or streaming is required because it creates a broadly playable file. This step prevents trial and error later and sets up a clear plan for the next actions. Now you decide, install a codec pack or convert the file. If you install, pick a reputable pack and reboot the player. If you convert, open a stable converter, choose a modern target codec like H, 264 video and AAC audio, and set resolution and bitrate to match the original. Once configured, run a test short clip, then process the full file. Make sure to use 2-pass encoding for better quality when bitrate is limited. This reduces artifacts and avoids repeated conversions. Finish by testing the file on every target device and in the browser you need. Check video, audio sync, and seek behavior. If you encounter stutter, lower bitrate or change encoder preset. If audio lags, shift audio track or re-encode with a stable container. Once satisfied, save the final file and keep the original as a backup. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect logs or error messages and run a short re-encode with a different codec to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.